Para badminton champion Mansi Joshi has been an inspiration not just for para athletes, but for girls around the globe. After her inclusion in the list of Next Generation Leaders by Time magazine earlier this week, Mansi Joshi has now been honored with a one-of-a-kind Barbie doll modeled on her. Talking to NNIS Sports, Mansi spoke of the need for switching from singles to doubles and mixed doubles as the Tokyo Olympics won't have the singles in the Paralympic section. So, she has to train differently, prepare mentally and also qualify for the Tokyo Games in the only upcoming qualifying event left in March 2021. When an accident in 2011 led Mansi Joshi to losing her leg, she had graduated in electronics engineering from the KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, University of Mumbai and was working as a software engineer. During her rehabilitation, she was approached by another Indian para badminton player, Neeraj George, who asked her to try out for the Indian para badminton side. It was only after she played at a tournament in Spain that Mansi Joshi really took to the idea of playing para badminton professionally.
So it's a great question because in singles I play half court. Half court, that is just the one single half of the court. So since doubles is going, I'm going to play doubles and full court. So I'm currently training in the full court. I am concentrating more on my net skill, more on my defense. But in badminton, you had to be very perfect. Like in singles, you had to be very perfect with your half court skills. Now I have to also develop my or fine tune my double skill or my full court skill. So yeah, that is one major thing that I'm working on right now. Challenges wise, I mean, challenges have been many. As a person with disability, I've been facing many challenges, right from procuring equipment to financing my tournaments. But I've been lucky that I've got support from my sponsors, Wellspun, or Malcolm, Ask Automotive, and Citibank, who have been making sure that my finances do not get, I do not get affected by my finances. Training wise, I've been training at Gopichand Academy, so I've got great support from my coaches. We had multiple tournaments last year, and for World Championship, we had just like 1 month, and I made sure that I utilized that one full particular month in a continuous way. Because multiple tournaments means every 15-20 days we were traveling or going out for tournaments. So yeah, it was a very hectic year in 2019, and 2020 gives us that clarity to self-reflect and see and understand how difficult or different that year 2019 was. I felt really amazing to be playing against Parul Didi because, I have been playing against her and I have been always on the losing side because she has been number one. She has been multiple times world champion and she has been world number one since many years now. Nobody has been able to take her spot. Even right now, as we are speaking, she's world number one and my rank is number two. So, to play against a player of such caliber, I was very nervous. But I was also prepared that I have to, work my level best and play against her. My mind was focused that I have to give my 100% when I'm playing against a player who has been at such a huge level of achievement of a sport. I concentrated more on my service. I had concentrated more on my drop skills during the World Championship, and I was trusting that. And I made sure that I utilized that. I had fine tuned it, and I made sure that the skill that I had developed during all these months before the World Championship, I used them during the World Championship, and that is what I did. That completely believed in myself, but I was making sure that I leave no stone unturned because I was playing against a player of her caliber. So for Paralympics, first of all, I want to get qualified for Paralympic Games. We have just like one tournament left in the month of March 2021 next year. And the first plan is to get qualified. And the next is to keep on preparing. So my singles as an event is not going to be part of Paralympic Games. So I'm concentrating more on my doubles and mixed doubles now.